Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome in today's webinar. Uh, I really enjoy when you guys keep on coming and attending the webinars. This is just a booster dose for me. I would really love to give webinars on Monday and Wednesday when I see a lot of students are there, a lot of professionals are there to attend the webinar, right? Though my team and the other members are also gives the webinar on a regular basis. So let's come to the point of today's topic. That the topic which I have chosen today is lead generation, branding, and marketing. Right? You always saw me that I used to give the webinars on HR related topics, but I thought that apart from HR, what's wrong in it when we can help you guys out in branding your products, in marketing your products, and giving you a potential customers, right? So that's the reason. Hello. Am I audible, guys? First, I'm getting a message. I'm not. You're not able to hear me. Hello. All right. Thank you, Ravinder. Thank you so much. So let's continue. Okay. So I said that I was. I have decided the topic that I'll be looking forward for lead generation, branding, and marketing. That apart from recruitment and giving you the right team, how we can help you in growing your businesses actually, which is also a very mandatory part, right? Once you selected the team, that how can you get the potential customers? That is the scenario, right? You need every business needs customer, every business needs growth for the future prospects. So before starting of this agenda, I'll be quick about intro of myself. This is Astha Buttal. I'm speaker of today's webinar, and I represent TUT Hub Solutions Private Limited, right? And this is an organization and having a platform with the name tuthub.com, where we are running three major services, and we are believe in three pillars. I'll be quick in showing those slides as well. So one of the services that is lead generation, branding, and marketing, I'll be discussing about that service only today, and we'll help you guys out that how can we help you in your businesses. And rest services that we have is recruitment and hiring placement services, that how we can give you a team for your organization. And the third service is IT solutions. This is one of the very great service that if anything for any kind of website development, mobile application development, then you can connect to us. So let me see if I can share my screen first, and I'll hold on, guys. I think. Anyways, in the meanwhile, I'll be start sharing the screen. I'll be telling you that how we can help you in lead generation and all. So have you ever given a thought, right? Have you ever thought of like how you get the customers, how can you generate the leads, and how would be your potential customers? See, to get the customer is something extra, right? Or but to get the right customer is something else, right? So think like that we can help you in giving the potential customers, or have you ever thought of like how you will be getting the customers? Have you ever think of this part? See, online marketing, offline marketing, you might be have these kinds of concerns, right? That there are number of things that people goes for offline marketing, but by postings, banners, posters, and the other things. But what about the online marketing, right? What about the online marketing when you can see the things? So this is what I'll be explaining today. There is some issue which is coming up in sharing the screens. I'm just quick just figure it out. So before any concerns, can you just drop me in the chat box, like anything you wanted to discuss for these things, right? Anything you wanted to see, that how can we help you out, because we have number of services, right? If I talk about Duty Hub, right, we have services, we things like hiring and placements. Then we have the services, this one, I'm saying, business development solutions and website development. Then we have a services where we can I think I can. Okay. Then we have a services of lead generation, branding, and marketing, right? So these are a complete services that we have. And with the quick methodologies and the pillars I'll talk, that is learning, working, and earning, right? Without learning anything, I'll still say you cannot work, and without working, you won't be earning. So this is a complete system, a complete three pillars which our system believes on. And apart from these three pillars, the services which I'll be explaining. So let's start with the today's topic that I'll be looking forward is branding, marketing, and lead generation, right? Figure it out that we connect with the right people by giving you a right fit in the recruitment areas, right? But what if we give you the right people and connect with the right person who will look for your? So what do you think? You won't be interested in that? Definitely you will be, because that is one of the solutions, right? You're getting a right team, you're getting a right business people. So that's how we help you out, that who do not want to love the brands, who really do not want to go to buy a brands, actually any kind of a trust with the brands. You look for the potential customers, right? So what we do in this area, we believe in branding your products, we believe in marketing the things, and we believe in giving you the potential customers. That's what Duty Hub third division says about branding, marketing, and lead generation, that will help you out in giving your brands, in promoting your brands, will help you out in giving you the potential customers, the right customers, and will help you to connect more socially with the people, right? So we'll help you in these three services in one single area, that is branding, marketing, and lead generation. Now, if I talk about engineering engagement, again, with this engagement, we are connecting with the three things, right? That is the social brands, right? I'm not saying that we are going to do everything offline. It's perfectly online. So that's why I'm saying it's social branding. It could be on Facebook, it could be on Instagram, it could be on Google Ads, it could be email marketing, chatbot, webinars. Everything is perfectly social branding and online. And these days, I think that the scenario which is coming, nobody would be interested to go with any kind of offline services. Will you? I mean, you are more buy the products from your e-commerce sites or your grocery apps, right? And definitely you would love if you having a brand products, right? So why not you want your product to be a branded one? And with this today's scenario, you won't be looking anything for a lead generation service, I would say. I think so, yes, everybody needs a business, I mean. And what we believe is that we believe in giving 3 times to 5 times or 10 times business growth. We don't believe only in giving the leads, we trust in giving the potential customers who will help you in growing your business 5 times to 10 times. That's what our system believes is all about. We believe in content strategy, we believe in lead campaign management. That's what its engineering engagement is all about. So this is a complete system, a complete service that I'll be discussing it, that how we can help you out with what kind of areas, what kind of factors, what kind of channels, what could be the strategies that we will be applying it further. So it's easy for you as well to understand how Duty Hub helps you in branding and lead generation service. So let's see, if I'll be starting with a quick one, is paper lead. This is our first service, and somehow this service is a very important service, I would say, because at the end you have a complete freedom to manage your budget. See, in this one, you only have to take care of how to generate leads. There could be no hidden cost and something. And the leads which we give, we have defined into 3 areas. That is qualified lead, you in designing the content of yours, what kind of a product you will be having, and then we will run a campaign for it, right? And then you will be getting a qualified customers, you will be getting a qualified leads. It means you have to just a best leads where you have to convert them, right? If I talk about the verified leads, right, these are the expected closer leads. This there is a we you will be getting a dedicated manager where we have a complete dedicated team who will be work on your behalf as well. Once we get the approvals from you, we run a campaign. We have a separate team who look for designing, content management, everything. And then once we start getting a leads for your our team of digital marketing will take care of those leads, and only you will be getting a verified leads. You do not need to worry about their contact numbers. You do not need to worry about their email IDs, and do not need to worry about their interest areas as well. So these are the verified leads. You just simply has getting those leads which are very much interested in your products, right? And you just have to get collect them with your sales conversion, with your sales team has to speak with them, and the conversions are there. So it's one of the very I would say are important leads or verified leads with the startups, mid-sized companies where they look for to run a single product, I would say, or they would having a multiple products. We run the campaigns of those also. So this is one of the leads which are somewhere unexpected closer leads where you have assurance that yes, these leads can be closed, these leads can be closed, right? And as I told you that we believe in giving a potential customer, and we believe in the growth of your business. So we'll give you only those leads who are seriously interested and really wanted to buy your products. And at the end, once they buy your products, your business will grow. And that's why our belief comes up that we will definitely help you in the growth of your businesses. Now if I talk about the hot leads, right? Hot leads, I'll be mentioning it's an assured closer leads. That in this hot leads, our team will definitely help you in giving a genuine, a right customer, a person who is going to be close with your products, with your businesses, right? A good association with them. So what in these hot leads are, somehow you can easily understand with an example that you have ordered something and you have a product, right? You have a product, let's take you have a product and you wanted to sell it, but you are getting a leads, you are getting the customers, but out of those customers there are things that only one customer would be interested to get those product, right? So hot lead are the one I'll be giving you, that one lead, that one hot client who are 99% interested to get your product. So this is something hot leads. And in hot leads, this is our strategy, this is our channels, that how we can give you. It could be social media channels, it could be Insta, Facebook, Google Ads. It is totally pdf channel actually, that how we works, right? So this is what we believe, that if we have given you the assurance of giving you a hot leads, it means that we are giving you an assurance to for this closer leads actually. So this is like pay per lead system that UTHub believes it, that we are helping you in growing your businesses, and in just generating the leads for you, helping you guys out for everything. Okay, I don't know, I mean, I think some net trouble is there or something, we are not able to see the PPT. Let me see. I hope you can. I mean, you can see the PPT here itself once again. Some net trouble is going on. I don't know what's happening. Okay, fine. So in this one, I'll be very quick once again, that in paper lead, I'll be already explained that we work in three areas of the leads. We believe in giving you qualified leads. We believe in giving you verified leads and hot leads, right? And qualified leads again are the best leads for your businesses. The verified leads are the expected closer leads, and hot leads are assured closer leads. So most of the IT companies or most of the software companies, web development companies, we can work it out for hot leads to them, right? We have those potential customers, we have that strategies, we have those areas, we have an expertise team. And you know what QTF believes? We believe in two areas. I mean, two specific. We believe in the experiences plus freshers mind. So when you have experience and freshers, creative, innovative mind, then definitely we'll achieve something. So that is our USP actually. That we really target to work with the expertise plus the innovative areas. So this is how we work with this area, where we will be giving you these three kind of leads. So you can have a look onto our system, that how for the more details, definitely you can visit our system. But yes, in this webinar I'll be explaining the, apart from these leads, there are more channels that how we can help you in the growth of your businesses, right? So if I'll talk about the next area, that is Google Ads, right? There are people who believes or who thinks that if they run a campaign, right, or if they do Google Ads, they'll be getting more leads or something. Then we are also having that much expertise, right? We have Google Ads, we have Facebook, we have Instagram, everything at one place. So it's a complete, actually, a digital marketing lead generation service, where we believes in giving you leads. Apart from that leads, we believe in giving you the growth of your businesses actually. So what you'll be getting it from us in Google Ads, that there are assurance that it's 100% in-house team of Google Ad management, right? I told you that we have an believe in experience plus young youth, right? So we have PPC experts for 8 years, though we have freshers mind also with the innovative ideas, right? Who create the designs, content, and help you with the Google Ads, right? Now, not only with this area, we believe, first we believe in research the things, right? We try to learn your business actually as much as we can before initiating or before starting any of your lead generation, any of the process of yours, generating the leads, right? What we do in the research, we understand the product of yours, right? We asked you what could be your target audience, right? We ask you what could be the location you wanted to target. We ask you about the age factor. We specifically ask you, it could be, for the old people or housewife, professionals, whatever it could be, as per your product, right? We believe that whatever is a product, we believe in target the right customers, so that you will be getting a potential customers. So that is a second area, that we having 100% in-house team, then we research the things for you, right? Then third comes in research your competition. See, it's very true, right? That if we do not know who could be your competitors, then how can we pursue the things further, right? We use industry leading softwares actually, right, to research the thing, to digitalize the things, who are actually your competitors. So we research your competitions first, and then according to that we will work onto your areas. We believe in building the campaign strategy, right? Taking out your research analysis, we translate it into effective PPC strategy, right? We believe that whatever research we have, whatever discussions we have, our team of digital experts will definitely analyze those things. Once we have the analyzation done, then only we will make your PPC strategies. It means paper campaign, right? And it could be Google Ads, it could be Facebook, right? Then only we design a campaign for you, because at the end, when we have the clarity, right, that what is the business, what could be the target audience, what could be the content, who is the right person, then and then only you will be getting our right customers actually. Now when you get the right customers, what happens? It will ultimately maximize your profitability. At the end, you will be getting the best results. You will be growing your businesses, and at the end, once you get those customers, it could be a recurring customers, right? So you have the flexibility to make these customers ongoing. You have a flexibility to make a more productivity. You have a flexibility of growing your businesses, right? So this is what we believe in this Google Ads. Apart from that, in the next slide, if I'll show, we have the other things. We believe in the keywords also, right? We think that keywords are the central part to run any of the PPC campaign, right? If I'll talk about, let's take it an example of an IT organization, right? They wanted to generate a business for a website development or a mobile application. So if I'll say a keyword would be website development, mobile application, Android platforms, iOS platform, these kind of an example of the keywords. Same applies to your business. It could be your FMCG business, anything related with your solar business, anything related with your online classes. So we will definitely look out for those keywords from you. We will definitely check before starting the campaign from you that these are the keywords. Are they fine? Because at the end we have researched the things, right? We have a team who will do everything, and then only we will make a customized ad and landing pages, and then only we will work out and figure it out the best campaign for you so that you will get the right customers. Now ad creation and management. See, I told you that we already have a team, right? We have a team of digital experts, we have a team of content experts, we have a team of design experts, everything. So with these experience, we specifically write for the search engines, right? We believe not only giving just saying that that's okay. No, we really wanted to be the best ad creation, right? That's why we keep on testing new ad copy to see what works best with your target audience, because at the end we wanted to grow your business, right? So we look for those target audience only who are the right potential people for your business. So we do not believe it's just okay. We want to give you the best. That's the only thing. If I talk campaign reporting, right? We provide data and insights on a weekly basis with full transparency. Means you have to trust us. I mean that we are doing it. We are cases that these are the things which are coming up after running your campaign. Our team will report you for the same. There is a dedicated account manager who will be assigned to you, and you just set the calls with them on a weekly basis, and as per your choice also we'll work it out so that it's easy for you to see the progress, what is going on for your marketing and branding actually, right? Let's have add-ons, right? We are having an experts in PPC management. I told you that we believe in experience and freshers, right? So we are having those expertise, right? In this area we are having an experienced people who works for a PPC management, right? With apart from this PPC management, we believe in other part also that in case you do not have a landing page creation or then we can also help you out. We have a team for the same as well. Then we work for a Google display ads and retargeting campaigns also. At the end, our main focus is to just give you the potential customers. That's it. We believe in giving you the hot leads, qualified leads. So at the end, we believe in giving the growth of your business. This is our main motto actually. And how we are different from others, I'll definitely tell you how we are different. In the meanwhile, let's see what next and how we can help you with the other campaigns, right? I'll explain you about the Google ads, right? Apart from Google ads, we have our email marketing also. This is also one of the channel of getting and branding the things or getting a leads actually for the businesses in email marketing, right? Most of the people prefer this. I mean there are a lot of people who really wanted to do email marketing, but there are people who does themselves but they do not get the responses. I seriously don't know why they don't understand, right? uh, Whether you already have automated email marketing or you never set a single email, right? We can array of services you to choose from that will boost your conversions and revenue on time, right? That's what we believe actually. At the end, what you need the conversions and revenue, right? And that's what our team do for you, right? We have a complete setup for email marketing. Either you look for database segmentation, or you look for any kind of a strategy development, or you look for any kind of a email marketing software, you look for templates and how to schedule and run the campaigns. We and to what customers, that is we take care of it. take care. I mean, our team take cares actually what kind of a audience has to be targeted. So this is one of the campaign also that we work on, that is email marketing. Apart from that, we have the track analytics also, where we provide the efficiency of your campaign, your open rate, click through rate. It means that you understand how many people have opened the email or not, how many people have just click it, and how many conversions are there. Because at the end you need revenues, and that's what we do. We try to give you the conversion revenues at the best leads, the best we can, right? So, okay. Let's talk about paper, campaign, SMS, and chatbot. Okay, so if I'll talk about SMS and chatbot, the more and less are having similar features. But yes, what we do in this and how we can help you out it. With our services, you will be even able to track the effectiveness your online and offline advertising campaigns, right? You might also think that you keep on receiving the SMS on a regular basis, that a lot of interviews are going on at one place, or a lot of products are on the sale, and a lot of things are there, right? So we are there to help you out in running those campaigns of SMS and chatbot, where we'll help you in giving a list management, where we help you to segment your contacts. Now, how we can segment the contacts? The people who are interested, and we will look about their past sales behavior. We'll see that this is the right customer or not. This is the list management. We'll look for a marketing strategy, right? Post segmenting your audience, you will need a strategy for each segment, right? We help you to develop those strategies. That is a marketing of our message should be appealing to the customer, so that he or she can go with your products, right? So that at the end, what requires is the conversion rates and revenue. So that's what we believe in, that we will work out only on those SMS templates that are appealing, creative, and at the end give you the conversions. We schedule and run campaigns. Will help you to identify the right time, actually, which is the right time to send the text, and will oversees your campaigns, right? And again, we track the analytics. We can see that how many people have opened the SMS, what is the delivery rate, how many people have clicked on the SMS, everything. So you just do not need to worry about this SMS part, right? We at the end is similar to the chatbot also. So SMS is something through phone, but chatbot is just online. So this is the difference, and you can that's, you have to decide which is you want it to go as per your business. Is SMS marketing or chatbot marketing, right? Last but not the least, we go with the webinar marketing, right? This is the one that webinar is like I am doing right now, right? This is something webinar marketing, because at the end, webinars are a different kind of a lead magnet, right? We believe in giving more values to the customers. We believe in giving you better leads, and we believe in to understand the customers actually, right? So this is something. Now, what happens when the person do not know how to create the audience, how to make a right audience, how to have a targeted audience actually? So QT having this team also, who will help you in webinar creations, right? Who will help you in email campaign strategy, who will help you in webinar marketing, and who will help you in campaign reporting. Now, what these things are? Now, what happens in webinar creation? We use the best technology platforms, right? Which matches this industry standard, such as registration management, high quality audio visuals, and recording, integration with email marketing and other platforms. So at the end, when you were giving the webinars, you really wanted to target the areas where everybody can see you, whatever platform it could be. So that's what our system does, or do actually, that we help you in giving a webinar marketing, so that you will create your own niche, you will create your own target audience. At the end, when you have your target audience, when you have your niche area, ultimately you will be able to selling your products to those customers. So this is something, a webinar creation. Email campaign strategy and creation. You need to analyze your business, and at the end we need to analyze your business, right? Because when we analyze your business, your brand goals, we will create engaging newsletters to them, we will announcing them, we will tell them that how we can promote the things. So we will promote your webinar. So once we start promoting your webinars, you will be getting more audiences who will be interested in connecting with you and wanting to do a business with you. Promote webinar marketing, right? Promoting webinar across social media. It could be Facebook channel, right? One of the actually famous channel that I think our webinars also goes through his Facebook channel itself, through introductory post and a follow post at a regular interval. This is one of the very important factor, I would say, because sometimes people are so busy in their activities that they forget to attend the webinars. But when we keep on giving them a reminder, follow-ups at regular intervals, they keep on attending the webinars. When they attend the webinars, what happened at the end? Ultimately, you are creating a niche, and these people are really wanted to buy a brand of yours. They are just the leads of yours, right? So this is one of the webinar things. Ads on, right? And campaign reporting. I told you in campaign reporting also that we believe in giving you on a weekly basis every report, anything, and at a regular interval, a specific dedicated account manager would always be there to help you out. You can set the call so that you get to know that what exactly is going on in your webinar, what kind of a marketing we are giving you, what kind of promotions we are doing it, and you have the complete right to ask us, because at the end you are giving us, we are there to help you out, and we are help you out in growing the business. So you have the complete right to ask as much reporting as you can. So you have the dedicated account manager to check for the same. And add-ons are there, that we are having an experts in webinar management. In apart from these additions, we are offering landing page creation, Google display ads, retargeting campaign, and Google ads, right? I told you Google ads, Facebook ads, campaigns, email marketing, chatbot, webinar marketing, right? So these are couple of services that we do. And majorly, not only the services, that's what we believe in, because qualified and verified lead, right? But we believe in giving you hot leads. And for more discussions, you can definitely drop an email for us how we can give you in hot leads. But these are those leads we can give you a potential, I mean, I would say a 99% assured leads, right? Then hot leads are one of the area. Then we have webinar marketing, chatbot integration, chatbot marketing, and email marketing, SMS marketing, any kind of a campaigns. Now, apart from these things, how much we are different from others, right? We are different because the other people are only doing these things. We have a complete system, we have a complete setup. Only not digital marketing, we take care of your branding also, right? We have a mindset where we believe in innovation, right? We have a team who was just what if and let's try action. What if this is possible, what if this is not possible, right? And we believe in that I am possible word, that it's not impossible, it is I am possible kind of thing. So we believe in giving the actions, right? We are biased only towards practical thought, business ready to execute. That is our first priority. That's what we are. We are very much innovative, we have the ideas, we have a team to go through with the things, right? Now the second, we are different in growth. We always forward thinking and future focused. We are very much clear that if we have taken and we have taken some customers, or if I would say we have tied up with you for any kind of a business prospects, then definitely we forward it not to have one time work with you. We believe to have a long term association with you, and the growth ultimately not only for yours, of us also. So that's what we are different. Then we have believe in teamwork. We have a people who are the right fit actually, and we believe that teamwork are the people are the one who are the only strength, especially how they gel together at work, right? at the end, see, if we have to run a campaign, right, or if we have to write a content, then definitely, a content person and a creative designer should, or digital marketing expert, PPC expert, should have a good friendly, or of course professionalism are required, but a gel up kind of things are required. So we have that team ready with us, who better understand the things with each other, so that ultimately it will help you in the growth of your business when we have to have generate the leads for you. Friendly, yes, fully open to new ideas and concept and strong communication channels, right? We believe in things that when we are working, whether we are working in our own team or whether we are working with the you guys team, right? We believe whatever questions, whatever research we have to do, we really very much open ended. We really wanted to ask the things so that new ideas, concepts, everything will come up, and we will figure it out how the best and how we can do the best for providing the leads to you. And last but not the least, we believe in giving the delivery, quality delivery. That's what we believe. I told you that we do not believe only in just okay the best. So we believe in best quality. So you can say that you are proud of the results that speak of our success and your success. So that's why we are different. We believe in quality deliveries, we believe in teamwork, we believe in friendly growth and innovation. So this is about today's webinar, that how we can help you in the growth of your businesses. It's a very small crux of the things which I shared today, because number of things that we do will definitely share more things in the other webinars as well. But this is a crux that how we can help you in the growth of your businesses, not only in the growth 3 times to 5 times, 10 times that we believe. I always say that is a tagline, that we believe in growing the business of yours, so that once you grow, we will also grow. So that's what we believe in. So for any kind of a discussion, any kind of details you look for, you can visit our system. You can visit us at qthub.com. You can always write an email at info@qthub.com. We are on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. Anything, any queries, you can drop us a message for the same, and we would be happy to help you out. And thank you so much for attending today's webinar. I hope that I help you guys out and clear something, that how we can help you in generating the leads. Do connect with us for any of your queries. We would be happy to assist and support you. Thank you so much and have a wonderful evening. Take care. Bye-bye.